Hi, welcome everyone. In today's session, we will learn some aptitude question. Here is our first question. Question 1. It was calculated that 75 men could complete a piece of work in 20 days. When work was scheduled to commence, it was found necessary to send 25 men to another project. How much longer will it take to complete the work? So what is given is 75 men completes work in 20 days. So how much one man could work? One man will complete working 20 into 75 days. So it's tell like he want to send 25 men to another project. So only 50 men are balance. Which means if 50 men are working, they could complete working 20 into 75, 1% working. If 50 persons are working, it will take 20 into 75 divided by 50 days. This will come up to 30 working days. So in the question, said how much longer will it take to complete the work? That means it will take 10 days longer than estimated. I hope you understood. Next question. A man was engaged on a job for 30 days on the condition that he would get a wage of 10 rupees 10 for the day he works, but he have to pay a fine of rupees 2 for each day of his absence. If he gets 216 at the end, he was absent for how many days? So I will solve this problem in two methods. Method 1. Let us assume x to be number of days he worked. Y number of leaves. So in the question, total number of days is 30. So x plus y should be equal to 30. Again equating his wage, he is getting 10 days, 10 rupees per working day. So 10 into x plus rupees 2 fine for his absence. So minus 2 into y. It should be equal to 216 rupees. This we can write it as x equals y minus 30. Sorry. minus y. So equating x is equal to 30 minus y, we will get 10 into 30 minus y minus 2y equals 216. That is 300 minus 10y minus 2y equals 216. That is 300 minus 216 equals 12y, or 12y equals 84. Solving, you'll get 7y is equal to 7 days. Y is nothing but number of leaves he took. Now method 2. Suppose he worked for 30 days. So his total wage will be no leaves will be 300, but wage received is 216. So total loss is 84 rupees. 300 minus 216. Loss per day in case of leaves equals 10 rupees wage and 2 rupees fine, which will come to 12 per day. So total loss divided by loss per day will come like 84 divided by 12, which again comes to 7 days. Third question. A contractor agrees to finish a work in 150 days, employing 75 men working each day for 8 hours. After 90 days, only 2/7 of the work was completed. Increasing the number of men by dash, each working now for 10 days daily, the work can be completed in time. So he's telling like after 90 days only 2/7 of the work is completed. So total man hours till 90 days. It will come like 75 men into working 8 hours daily into 90 days, which will be equal to 54,000 man hours. He is telling after 90 days only 2/7 of the work is completed. So let X be the total man hours for the project. So 2/7 of the work is equal to 54,000. So solving X, 54,000 into 7 divided by 2, it will come to 189,000, 1,89,000. So total work left to finish equals total work minus total man hours completed till 90 days is 54,000 equals 13500, 1,35,000 man hours. Let's assume Y to be extra men required. So out of 150 days, only 60 days are remaining. So number of men currently working is Y, number of extra men plus currently 75 men are working, into total number of hours working now daily is like 10 hours, into 10 into days remaining is 150 minus 90 minus 90 is 60, which should become equal to the remaining work left. So we should solve for y plus 75 into 10 into 60 equals 135,000. Y plus 75 equals 135 divided by equals 225. Y equals 225 minus 75 equals 150. So in order to complete the work on time, we require additional 150 men. Okay. Next question. A man bought a horse and a cart. If he sold the horse at 10% loss and the cart at 20% gain, he would not lose anything. But if he sold the horse at 5% loss and cart at 5% gain, he would lose 10 rupees in the bargain. The amount paid by him was rupees for horse and rupees dash for cart. How much rupees he paid for horse and cart? So let X be the price of horse and Y the price of cart. First condition is he is selling the horse at 10% loss and cart at 20% gain. He is not making any profit, neither loss. So 10% loss, X plus 20% gain, that means 1.2 Y should be equal to his total cost, that is X plus initial cost Y. Which come to 0.1x minus 0.2y equals 0, or in other terms multiplying by 10, x minus 2y is equal to 0, or x is equal to 2y. First condition. The second condition is he is selling the horse at 5% loss and cart at 5% gain. That means 0.95x plus 1.05y. He is making a loss of 10 rupees. That is total price x plus y, and he is making a loss of 10 rupees. Solving, get like 0.05x minus 0.05y equals 10 rupees. Multiplying by 100, 5x minus 5y is equal to 1000, or in other terms x minus y is equal to 200. Solving these two equations, you will get 2y minus y is equal to 200, or y is equal to 200. Therefore x is equal to 2y is equal to 400. So hose, price of hose is equal to 400 rupees, and price of cart equals 200 rupees. Next question. Five boys were climbing a hill. J was following H, R was just ahead of G, K was between G and H. They were climbing up a column. Who was the second? So the first condition is like J was following H. So H is here, J. This is the first condition. And the second condition is R was just ahead of G. So suppose G is here, R was just ahead. And the third condition is K was between G and H. So K should come, it cannot come before G, it can come only after G. So K here, H should come afterwards, so this block will come here. So the order will be R, G, K, H, J. So our question is, who was second? Okay, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.